School of Government because we are alarmed of what was going on here. We have since discovered there are unprofessionals who have conducted themselves as professionals in the profession of advocates. And going forward, what we are saying is this: not only county-wise but also country-wide, we are putting all brokers, all masqueraders, any person who purports to be an advocate and does not possess a practice certificate, that we are coming for you. We as advocates are tired of having people who are soiling our name. We cannot be seeing every day that advocates are conducting themselves in a manner that is unbecoming, and these people are not advocates.
It's a misconduct on the part of the county government employees. Some of them, we are not saying all of them, because as we have established, the person who bears the stamps and executes this document might be an employee of the county. We are saying it is illegal. No advocate should give his stamp to a person who's not qualified. No authorization should be done by any person who's not qualified.
Kenya School of Government, Embu, kwa sababu kuna hand count tunafanya, comprehensive hand count ya wafanyikazi wa Embu County, to see their documents na tuone sura ili tuhakikishe kweli wako.